welcome to Paradise Living. I'm Barbara LaPointe, your host. Today we're in one of my favorite communities, the Marina Vallarta. You know, the marina's there, Benito's is there, all the restaurants, Starbucks, the wine store, everything you could want right at your fingertips. We're gonna head on over to Nima Bay and check out a condo that's had a beautiful price reduction. It's on the market for $599 USD. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet of superior interior design, and I love it. And I mean, Nima Bay, it's a great place to live, work, and play. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to Nima Bay. Come on inside. This condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet. It's really all about, it's very relaxing. The marina outside is like nightlife in the bar and, you know, food and everything, but in here it's really quiet. And I love this condominium for its tranquility. And first of all, notice the green. Notice the yard. It's a huge terrace with lots of green space. So when you're in this comfortable living room, you've got the green space. This is a main floor, obviously. So great for older people, great for handicapped people, or if you have a wheelchair or any mobility challenge. But also everyone has a pet. So you got a dog, bring your dog here. This place is so pet friendly. Come on, check out the kitchen. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen and look at all the cupboard space. Beautiful fridge, you've got your stove, great view, the pool's right there, but so quiet inside of here. You've got a dishwasher. I don't know how much time I'm going to be in the kitchen if I lived in Nima Bay, which offers an incredible community. It's a very tight-knit community in Nima Bay. Games room, you know, Nima Bay is like amenities, amenities, amenities. There's the bellboy, there's concierge parking, there's a great restaurant with fabulous margaritas upstairs, and every restaurant you could imagine just steps away. So I don't know how much time I'm going to be in this kitchen. Personally, probably never, but it's a great kitchen. Filtered water, of course. This condo is really perfect for really anyone, single person, family, retired couple. Lovely dining room, beautiful Perota table here, and then it just flows into this really comfortable, easy speaking living room. The furniture is lovely, and if you come forward with a full ask price at $599, you can have all of this furniture and live in the prestigious resort community of Nima Bay. And here we have such a spacious patio. If you have a dog, little dog, medium-sized dog, this is perfect. They have lots of green space so they can have, you know, their doggy private space. And you've got room to barbecue, you've got room to throw parties, you've got, you know, it's a great terrace. It's a much larger terrace than you're going to find in the new division of Nima Bay. And by the way, the new division in Nima Bay is delivering very soon, January 2025, and that is going to give the owner of this condo access to 4 pools. One of those pools is heated, and a separate kids pool, which I know is a benefit for a lot of people, to just let the kids splash and have fun. There's also brand new air conditioners in here. They're under a year old. To me, that's very important if you want to stay cool and you want to stay comfortable. So a lot of nice things happening here in this ground floor unit of Nima Bay. That's new to the market. Of course, we've got to go to the bedrooms, so let's go. So far, I'm seeing a lot of good value per square foot at this beautiful condo in Nima Bay. So this is the first bedroom. Great television, lots of natural light. Very feminine and comfortable king-size bed. And notice there's another terrace. And notice all of the greenery. New air conditioner, and of course there's an ensuite. And did I mention how big that terrace is? So another ample, very spacious terrace. These are all the things, the details that make it feel like that you have more living space. It extends your space out. So lots of indoor-outdoor play opportunities here at Nima Bay. Stepping around here, like this bedroom's really comfortable, like really comfortable. If I wasn't in the private library and lounge area upstairs, I would be in my bedroom. And just around the corner, we have a really lovely ensuite. 2 double sinks, nice long mirror that really makes it stretch out, and also a huge shower. The shower is a party shower. Yes, girls need that. We all need that. I like it. I really like it. Okay, folks at home, big linen closet. We need that. We need space for our towels and our sheets and hide things inside. And I like this bathroom. This bathroom's for everyone. It's got a nice corner shower. It's large, and yeah, it's a nice bathroom. Lots of space underneath for all of your products. We need space in the bathroom, right? This bedroom, I don't know, I like it as much as that bedroom. Lots of closet space, which is very important to buyers. Air conditioner, kind of a little library, hutch. This is almost like, really, it's a turnkey unit. It's a great Airbnb. And did you know at Nima Bay, it's about 50-50 Airbnb to residents here, so a nice balance. Tons of Americans and Canadians live in Nima Bay, so if you're looking for a new community as you start your New Mexico life, consider Nima Bay. Nice bed, desk, and then that terrace, the natural light. It's a smart home, so we've got a little Alexa going on here. The front doors you can attach to Alexa, so it's set up for an Airbnb, but this is also truly has a very homey feeling. I think it's a great price. Have I mentioned that? $5.99 for Nima Bay. It's really good. So wonderful to tour you through Nima Bay in Mexico. If you're thinking about moving to Puerto Vallarta, reach out, subscribe, like, and share. We make a downloadable PDF of every single property we feature. I'm Barbara Lapointe, an AMPI certified Canadian realtor, here to guide you through every step of the buying process in Mexico. And I can tell you that I love the Marina Vallarta. The airport is 5 minutes away. There's a golf course. You don't need to be a member to go, and a fantastic, reputable hospital right there. And of course, this beautiful pool. Everything you can want is in the Marina Vallarta at Nima Bay. Contact us today, and don't forget to subscribe. This has been a lot of fun. Take good care.